How to run partnership ads that actually convert. Yes, this is the type of ad that a lot of people don't actually talk about, but it's very important that you know this kind of ads, especially if you want to collaborate with other brands or you want to partner with other brands. This is the best kind of ads that you should be running. So what does it mean? So in this video, I'm going to be explaining it. So this is Philip Details, your number one ad guy, and I believe you're going to learn a lot in this video. So ensure that you watch to the very end. So what is partnership ads? Partnership ads let you run, sorry about this, partnership partnership ads. Okay, so what does partnership ad does? Partnership app ads let you run ads on your brand page while the partner brand provide audience access. Now you might still be confused by this definition, but what it means is, let's assume I have a hospital that I'm running and I want a lot of people to, patronize my hospital. I can partner with Apoco Doctor. You know that Apoco Doctor is an influencer, is an influencer doctor that a lot of people knows. So if my brand partners with Apoco Doctor, a lot of people are going to trust me, and people in my vicinity they're going to patronize me, right? And that's the essence of partnership. You see all these big brands partner with influencers because they know that these influencers they have access to people. So and this brand needs access to those people. So they are going to partner with that influencer. So that's what partnership ad does. You are going to be running ad with your brand page, but it's also going to be showing the influencer brand page. So that means that if my brand is showing with that influencer brand, people are going to trust me faster because they already trust that influencer. You get? I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in this video. So what's the benefit? The benefit is that you expand your reach without buying extra audiences. You expand your reach. So that means that instead of just depending on your own reach, you are also relying on the reach of the influencer. The second thing is it builds trust via collaboration. Especially if you collaborate with a trusted influencer or a trusted brand, then that trust is going to rub up on your own brand, right? So the third one is split ad cost or leverage bigger budget. Now, what this means is that on the norms, if you are just running, if you tell the influencer to run the ad for you or to create a video for you, that might cost you. But we are running a partnership ad. The influencer doesn't need to create an ad for you. They don't need to create a video for you. You're only going to be using their name in your ad. So this kind of ad is a very good ad for business owners, for brands that want to collaborate or partner with other brands. So let us dive into it. How do we set up this kind of ad? So you go to your ads manager, dive to your ad manager. So I'm going to be using this ad account. So click on create. Now let us say that you want to the account of ad you want to run is sales. So click on sales, click on continue. So just like my custom is, I love to name my stuff. Let's say partnership ad, copy. So put in your daily budget and all. Click on next. Then the ad set level also, I would name this. So for the conversion location, you put in where you want the conversion should be. There's different options. That's not what I want to cover in this video. If you want to learn more about that, you can just get my course or you opt in for my live training and you're going to learn more about the different conversion locations. So but what I'm focusing on is the ad level. All of this is well explained in my course if you want to know them. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so I will name this also. I'll name this also partnership ad. Now you can now see this says partnership ad. You can see that it is off. So we run ad with creators, brand, and other businesses. This ad leverage signals from both accounts to improve campaign performance. So I'm going to put this on So once I put this on, they're going to be asking for their identity. So choose the Facebook pages and Instagram account that this partnership will be associated with. Now this is my own Facebook page and Instagram account that has been connected. So the next thing I need to do is that I need to connect this. I need to connect with my partner page. So in the case you don't even have access to it, what you can do also is that you can click on, you select partnership here. Okay, you can click on add partnership, and you're going to search for the name of the creator here, the Facebook page or the Instagram account. So let's say CC Creative, or no, CC Digital. What I'm doing now is an example, not, so you should choose, you should type the name of the person you want to partner with. Yeah, it's not bringing it out. Okay, let me use this. Now I have, now I want to show you. Now look at this. Now this is how the ad is going to look like: the attention and damage visual. So I am partnering. This is my own page. This is my partner page. I am partnering with damage visuals, right? So this ad is going to be on the adverts, both on Instagram and on Facebook. So I click on done. But you might not have access to your partner's Facebook account and Instagram account. All you will need to do is to do it from here. Select partners. So you add partners. Then you are going to now what? Search for the name of your partner's stuff. Let's say I was trying to do, let me just use anyone. Let me use this. Let me say, let's assume that this is the one. Now click on done. Then click on next. Select the account that you want to use to partner with the creator. So now this is the account I want to use to partner with the creator. This is my own account, right? So I'll click this done, next. So then you can now send a request. Like send request. Now I don't know who this damage strips is, right? But I'm just using for example. So you send a request. So this is linked to request on Instagram and this is linked to request on Facebook. So now know that even if the partners they don't get this request, you can copy this link and send to them. So when they click on it, they will have an option where they can actually approve. So once they approve it, click on done. So you can see that a request has been sent. So you tell your partner to send the link to them and they approve it. So once they approve it, you just come here, you come to, your account is going to automatically be selected here. So you come here, you click on this edit button and it's going to be appearing here because they have approved it. So once you click here, their details are going to show, and that means that you're going to have this kind of heading. So this is a partnership ad. So let's assume that my page is a hospital page, while this is Aproko Doctor. So imagine my hospital name and Aproko Doctor name is showing in the same space, right, on a ad. People are going to trust my brand because they already trust Aproko Doctor, right? So that's, imagine Coca-Cola now want to run ads, and Coca-Cola is partnering with Wizkid, and there's Coca-Cola, there's Wizkid. You see that Wizkid fans, once they see the ad, they're going to engage with it. So that's the essence of partnership ads. So I click on done. So I'll just set up my creative. Let me just add creative. So I'll show you how it is. Let me just add a creative. Let's say this. Then click on next, done. Add your text and all of that. you get. So now let me show you how this look. Advanced preview. You can see how this look. We don't have ads and damage visual. So it's showing as though we are both running the ad at the same time. And this is very interesting. This is very it's dope. Once people see this, they are going to trust it. That's why you must ensure you partner with a trusted brand or a trusted influencer, so that once ever they see the ad, they see the name of the influencer or the brand, they are going to engage with your ad, and your ad is going to perform well. So that's just a simple way of running a partnership ad. So I believe you have learned something in this video. If yes, ensure to subscribe to this channel. That's how you can support this channel, and you share. Also, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment. If you want to run ads, you can reach out to me. My phone number is going to be on the description, and my Easter offer for my Facebook ad course is coming soon. So watch out for it. See you in the next one.